everybody, I wanted to show you something that I've done for Christmas as well. I mean, as you know, with this book I do a lot of the large scale, you know, scrapbooking really. I thought it was going to be an omni journal where I do both picture of the day and a little note and something about the day, maybe my to-do list, but so far it's just been pictorials and these little notes from my Christmas book. So yeah, I think what I really need separately from that is to journal, and some days I want to do a little bit more than others, and maybe not at the time that I'm doing these pages for the December daily do I want to journal. So I have a little book here that I made, a travel size one. I got this cover at Tuesday Morning, and the Tuesday Mornings close by, they're closing, and they had everything 30% off final sale. So I really took my time and walked around to see if there was anything that I really wanted, and I saw this and I thought immediately, you know, this looks kind of Christmassy. It's Christmassy, I think, red, but I just knew I wanted to use this for the cover of my Christmas book. And yesterday I made this book, and so I used a paper pack that had sort of the same kind of glitter, you know, and as you know, I like to put tape on the sides to preserve it, and I put the washi tape and then I put clear tape over it just to secure it. I put these down, but sort of like similar to this. Actually, it is the same pack, but I knew that they might shift, so I put tape on the cover. So basically pretty straightforward, you know, Christmas paper. I had a few of these left, and so I decided to use them in here. And the paper pack that this one came from also had the dates. So I knew, yeah, this is exactly what I want to do. And so I'm going to go back and update it, because I remember certain things that were happening on that day and things that I was thinking about. I have to do it really quickly before I forget. And so I did this on the 12th, and I just started to go back and wrote stuff for that day as well as the 12th. And so today I will spend some time journaling, and you see it's just space for writing, so I'll have my opportunity to put pictures over here. Some days I'll put pictures in here because I ended up printing out extra for a couple days, so I think this is where I'll put them. And this will take me to the 31st, even though I decided, because on the 26th to the 30th I will be at a writer's retreat. I do have a traveler's notebook that I want to show you. Well, not a traveler's notebook size, but a travel notebook that I'll show you that I plan to use. So I'll get dates and put them down for the rest of the day. And so this is something I'll take with me to work, because I can just write. If I ever need to journal, I'll have it right there. Alright, so I got this book at, I believe, Home Goods, and I saw the cover and it was maybe $4.99, and I knew I was going to make this into a traveler's notebook. Oh, this is kind of lean, so I'm going to have to trim this down actually. This is going to be my travel notebook. Even though I also thought about this one that I made some time ago, I went back and I put more travel themed pages in here. So we got a map, you know, and I also put like some paper to do some drawing, because I'll be going to South Carolina, so haven't been there before, and it might be a place where I can, even as I write, I'm going to do some sketches. I always say that I never end up doing it, and if I do it after, but I'll see what happens. Yeah, so this is a lot more than just like 5 days, but I don't know, maybe I'll use it as a writing book and a travel notebook while I'm there, or I might use this since it's smaller. I also went back and I saw this other one, so I'm making another one here. I might make it available for sale, I might use it, I don't know yet. I also wanted to show you that I got these at Ross for like $3.99, and I said I love the leather covers, and of course I know I'm gonna put tea-dyed paper in here and just more writing themed. So my leather books I normally use as writing logs, so I have some for the upcoming year. So like I love that when I do get to crafting, I really do a lot, and then maybe nothing for a while, and then I go in again. But I want to be more consistent and not overdo it and then get burnout, you know. So I just basically wanted to show you guys that. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Walk good.